shit.
Hello.
Wait. Did you just start the recording and then test the mic?
Yes.
Sorry.
And your ears are probably all going to bleed.
We're sorry about that.
Should I just restart this?
No, fuck it. We're going with it. We're all in with it.
I probably caused whoever's listening on this to become deaf.
Just for a split. It's fine. Keep it going.
Can someone be sued for making people deaf across the internet? That sounds like a good answer.
Lower your speakers, guys.
Well, it's a little late. They're gonna hear that first. No, in fact, they can't even hear what we're saying.
Yeah, they can hear now. Shit. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And you know what? Brady just played the game. I'm just gonna go take a nap, and this is our channel now.
I'll start recording from jail.
So, what are we fucking doing? We're talking to people?
Okay, there's like this area. You see the hover cars. Well, they sometimes show up. Oh, fuck! They move so fast. Oh, yeah. Okay, so okay, you have to board one of those to go like to the other area of the city, and to do that, you have to have credentials here.
Like just talking to people?
Kind of. Like let's just say the way this place works is that every topic has a pair of people that talk about it, I guess. So you have to memorize which pairs of people you have to talk to.
Oh, what the fuck? Okay.
It's weird. You'll see.
You gotta get your street cred.
But yeah, I just want to do this part, get this part over with, because first we have to try to.
What are you looking for?
I'm just trying to explore the area to trigger the event.
Oh, you're trying for her?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just so you can find out, like, oh, I can't go here unless I do this or that. And there's other areas you can access by doing, like, there's different levels of credentials. You just need the basic one to get to where. But if you get, like, the higher level ones, you can, what's it called? Get to areas with rewards and all that good stuff.
Sounds like I'm fucking gaining a membership at, like, a gym or something. Get the premium membership and get all these awards!
Do you lift, bro? It's just kind of funny, though, that we're infiltrating the Capitol. I'm pretty sure our faces should be known at this point.
They said, like, well, wait, no, the technology is good here. They have the technology for pictures.
Yeah, they should.
Yeah, I was thinking, like, oh, yes, it's olden times where pictures don't exist. I'm like, wait,
it's a weird mixture of medieval and futuristic.
Where it looks like all the fucking buildings are made out of stone.
Then again, that's like almost half of half of the Final Fantasies are like medieval mixed with like like 10. You have like fucking villages out in the middle of nowhere, and then like
this one too. Remember the Gate of the Plains?
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. They have like futuristic mixed with like I don't know, primal.
No, what's it called? What was it called? The line between poor people and rich people.
Yeah.
With the wage gap, or no, that's for women. Wait, what?
A million gil.
Who the fuck are you?
It's Jules.
Oh. Oh, what the
You forgot him already. I mean, it's very low compared to my total.
Here's money.
Yeah, just toss air at him.
You need 9 chops.
We need... Oh, this is the quest for Porter. We have to collect 9 vocal chops to get to his concert.
Oh my god, shut the fuck up.
She's just giving him the stare. I don't trust you.
Cough. He's like, it's time for you to leave. Cough.
Must be really awkward. Alright, oh wait. What was this again? 9 more chops. Okay. And I think now, once we start talking to people... Shit, I didn't pay attention to what he was saying. I know once you talk to people, it will be like... There will be an option that says commit to memory. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, okay. Just talk to people, I guess. Words of encouragement. Commit this tale to memory.
So remember this person to words of encouragement?
Yes.
The senior researcher.
Well, I'm gonna memorize that he's near the cab and all, so that's all good.
Do we have to do them like all at once? You know what I mean? Like, is there like a test at the end?
No, you can only... Okay, yeah,
What
see...
did he say? Wait, I don't know what he said.
Something about working up a sweat.
Working up a sweat, and this is a gentleman on the.
Yeah. So
Wait,
basically,
why do you commit?
No, because you can only do one at a time.
Oh, so now what do we do?
I have to find someone else who matches his words of encouragement thingy. That's why I need you to help me memorize.
All we need is
Okay. Yeah.
It's not really memorization, it's just magic.
Well, yeah, it's matching, but you gotta like, I don't know. I guess it's faster if you.
So now we should look up like a worker guy. Wait, did he tell you like who's he looking for?
Oh. Okay, I guess he's right here. Sure. I'm honestly, I remember having to run around a shit ton for this part. I don't know why they're right next to each other now. Like, watch, he's gonna be a commit to memory. Oh, hey, right here.
Materialistic woman.
Yeah, okay, so this area is clear.
Those are the machines, probably.
They'll glow yellow if they have.
I know, but you probably match to those guys.
Alright, we're probably getting us someone in this cluster. We just have to match 9 times.
Wait, what did you say? What wage?
Half my wages. Something about gentlemen. So remember, she has gentlemen. Something about a storm. Oh, what?
Oh, so it wasn't the wait, what did he say? Go back.
Old rocks.
Wait, no. I researched.
Daughter, research, marry.
Okay.
Progress.
This is weird.
Yeah, no.
I don't think. Oh, I think that's the. Yeah, commit that one. Yeah, take it.
This one?
Yeah, I think go back to the other guy.
Oh, okay. I'm glad you were paying attention. Which guy?
That one? Yeah. Yeah, see?
Alright.
So then I get another one. Top of Stardom.
Sure.
Wait. What's her name?
Aspiring Starlet.
What was that one? Starlet. Yeah, there you go.
They right next to each other. I definitely remember them being
Hey,
like...
I'm remembering these.
No, it's not even like being here. It's
oh,
like...
wait, go back. Now they're talking to each other.
Oh.
They were talking to each other. What the fuck?
But like literally, I remember having to go like across
the
rooms. Like,
hey, just don't fucking.
I'm not complaining. I'm
Yeah,
just like, what the fuck? I think we talked to him. Yeah. Okay. So I think this area is clear. I feel like there's one person that didn't match here.
No, we did Fate Star. We did.
So yeah, okay.
That's for the mom. That's for the daughter.
Okay, I guess they're all within the same area. No complaints. So that's like 4 matches we've done so far.
Like
Oh, this is pretty fast then. We might even get a teensy bit of fighting. Traveling.
What the fuck is that runner? Get that runner.
Avid Traveler. Arcadian Ardent.
Well, talk to him. What about a runner?
Yeah, no.
Wait, what was it? For marriage?
Yeah. Wait. Ardent.
What's wrong with Ardent?
Oh, anniversary.
Okay.
To the poor
Yeah.
wife.
Is that your wife running around like an idiot? The other one.
Okay. Back to traveling. That was the husband. Okay. Oh, this one wants the mummer.
The fuck is a mummer?
It's like a court jester thing. I'll just do that one right now. I think it was like somewhere. Just look for someone that juggles. Oh, okay, maybe a different room.
Try that again.
Ardent, knack for magics. Swindler.
Okay, sounds like a thief guy.
8 and 20.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know. This part's a little strange. Tutor.
Oh Jesus! How many of them are there?
We just need 9 in total.
Okay, there. So no. Oh no. It's
Oh,
back
oh.
Yeah. She went
Fuck
downstairs. She went, yeah.
you. Okay.
Did the magics, I guess.
Look-alike.
It's just like shit.
Oh, there's gonna be someone else called the look-alike, I think. And you have to match those two. Talented woman. Knack for magics.
Maybe we just keep that until we find a swindler or a magic girl. I think she was
Judge's wife.
Wait. Can you talk
Oh,
to her?
Traveler.
Traveler, yeah, is that the Traveler? I don't... Talk to her again one more time.
Okay.
My husband filled with righteous... No, I don't think it's anything like that. No,
Okay.
something about justice.
Okay.
Oh, wait, shit. What the fuck? All this is open too?
Yeah. I'm just like, see, look-alike. I'll just talk to the other
Go
look-alike.
back, yeah.
There's the mummer, the juggler dude. So that's 2 matches we have under our
I
belt.
think we got like 5 so far.
Yeah. So we're almost.
This is a weird task.
Wait.
No, that's it.
Look-alike.
No, tell us. Or no, that's the mummer. My bad. Yeah.
Here we go. And then we'll talk to the mummer, and the other person's downstairs.
This is strange. This is like the strangest fetch quest.
Yo, mummer. What?
Oh, he's the second one. Yeah, you need to get to her first.
Oh,
Yeah.
the girl to the
Yeah,
mummer.
Yeah.
No, the person was downstairs.
Huh?
The one who mentioned the mummer. It's I think.
No. Oh, really?
Hold on.
Wait, what?
It was
No,
definitely
it was
someone.
talented girl.
Are you sure she mentioned the mummer?
Yeah, go back up.
Okay. Just in case.
Yeah. There's a talented girl. Her? That's probably.
Okay, they're
Where the
over
fuck
there.
did you go? That's so weird.
8 and 20.
No, so
Oh.
where the fuck she go? Her? Yeah. Oh, that's Knack for Magic.
Yeah, no, there was someone who mentioned the mummer.
No, it
before.
was her. No, that was the other person, but just take it for now. No, she had mentioned a mummer, but she wouldn't give it to you or anything. Like, fuck you.
Heart of man. Let's see. Who are you?
It's the same one.
Oh,
The same, those are the same shit.
chops.
It's
Oh,
a lookalike. Be a judge. Alright, there it is.
Oh, and then
yeah,
talk
go
to
back
the-
to the wife, the judge's wife.
yeah. Which was one of
No.
the.
It's the other way. Keep going down. Yeah, that way. I don't think she's downstairs. Actually,
Yeah,
she might
she's
be.
not downstairs. She's like.
Yeah, she is, is there a tracker?
No.
Jesus.
You just have to memorize who you've already talked to.
Talk to the mummer again?
I know there's someone who you talked to for the mummer, but
The fuck is a mummer?
yeah, I don't know. Trinket from Giza. I feel like that might go with
The Traveler?
Yeah, maybe. I just want to see what these people say.
Magic.
Magic, so that's talented woman.
Okay, so go to Traveler, and then you can talk to the
Yeah.
Traveler.
Let's see how many things we have right now, just real quick.
Is there a way to actually see?
Key items, probably.
Loot.
Oh.
Well, one more. Okay.
Okay,
This
fuck
might be it.
everyone else.
Of course we find 2. She is downstairs.
Yes. Well, it'll say Traveler or something, right?
The Traveler's Life.
Oh.
Yep. Oh. What the fuck? Just
Okay,
talk to
well-
Magic Girl.
Yeah, I was gonna say, we know who to find. Tutor. Talented girl. Oh, wait. I thought that was gonna be you.
It's 8,
8 and 20, we don't even know what that's all about. Her.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. This is such. Who the fuck thought of this?
The Square Enix.
Yeah, like, why? It's just such a weird quest.
Alright, where's the old man? Oh, magics. Okay, now we have enough.
It's just such a weird quest.
It's like us. I wouldn't even say so much the quest as like the fucking system in the city.
Or maybe it's just the fuck.
That's
yeah,
like literally.
I guess.
That's
Yeah,
like,
you know enough people? Alright, get my cab. Like,
that's like literally. Hey, you walk around town. It's like, hey, do you know that guy over there? Yeah, he has some cool shit to tell you.
yeah,
bro.
he's actually the principal of the school you want to go to. Oh, he has a thing.
Oh,
that
let me
you-
just give you like $1 million worth of wood or whatever.
No, 80 to 87, what was it? 80, 20?
Yeah.
It's so weird. Oh, look at those random
Oh shit.
What are the traffic lights in the sky?
I feel like it'd be okay for a good while.
What do you mean?
There's definitely a lot more ways to go in the air than there is on the road. The only thing that might be kind of fucked is like, let's say there's like a tall building and you're coming in from one side and they're coming in from the other. You can't.
Wait, he's back?
Yeah.
Wait, if he had all the cred already, then fucking bitch.
Yeah, I'm just gonna save here.
Wait, what was the point of both of you leaving?
This is the end of the episode, I think. Because there's gonna be some fighting and I know we're on a time limit and
Okay.
I don't have the updated gear just yet.
What the fuck was the point of both of you leaving? He
Uh,
came back, right?
Yeah.
He's like, hey, I'm going for 10 minutes.
I guess you'll potentially understand why by the end of this all, but
Please tell me if you go like leave, like take the cab back down. He's like, all right, back to business. Like,
you want to try it real quick?
Yeah, please.
I mean, we have spare time.
I just want to see if he's like, all right, I'll go back to business. Or maybe in the story wise, he already has chops, and they just want to add this the game.
Oh well, I mean, he was a citizen here. At
Yeah,
some
so I
point,
guess
so-
they just wanted you to. They forced that mini game. I guess it's the only reason I could think they could to make him run away. But they had to animate him walking away and everything. Square Enix, why? It's just.
Well, no, there's a reason he wanted to go separate ways for a little while.
Oh, it explains later.
Well, okay, think about it. He used to be a judge here, so he has some secrets that he doesn't want
Oh, yeah, he used to be a judge.
Yeah, no. That's why he's like, I don't want you guys to know about my personal life.
Get a little loose ends to tie.
Yeah.
But thank you for watching. that
Speaking
weird
of
ass-
loose, Josh, you have anything to say about loose things?
Welcome back to another ASM. You will not silence me!